Good day, everyone. So today I will continue the discussion of Mr. Ulimba, and my topic is all about traditional craft. So traditional craft is mao ni siya ang mga ginahimo nato, and then one of the example sad nga kanang ilahang gikuhaan og panginabuhi. So one of the example of traditional craft is weaving. So weaving is one of the most precious traditional livelihood that are still kept until today. So makita gihapon nato until now ang weaving so originating in the pre-colonial times. So the art of weaving of Cordillera tribal groups in the Philippines North is still existing, despite the threat of the more practical mass production of clothes. So the native use backstrap looms to produce blanket and articles of clothing. So weaving mo na siyang mga katong tahi-tahi. So mo na ang example sa weaving. So ang thread ani is marami ta siya gi kanang basta giina na to siya dayon mag-create na siya. Mahimo na siya nga habol kanang ilang ilang ika ng inana sa tiil. So mao na siyang example sa waving. So next is piña cloth. So piña cloth is also produced in looms throughout the province of Antique. It is a delicate and exquisite hand woven cloth that is made from the fiber obtaining from the leaves of pineapple plants. So it is popularly used in Barong Tagalog, the country traditional formaments where with the organic and airy textiles being used, the barong is now becoming more popular around the world. Kanang makita ninyo nga na ay mga kanang tahi-tahi bito dito sa France kanang barong so mo na siyang example sa piña cloth kani mo na siya makita na ninyo sa barong. Dayon next is abaca fiber. So abaca fiber is kung ano siya, ang abaca is more igsuon ni siya sa saging. So derived from the abaca plants is widely grown in certain regions in the country. It is woven mainly to make sinamay or fabric and abaca rope as well as um slippers like vacuum bags, currency, and tea bags. So these are also handcraft like bags, carpets, and clothing made of abaca. So abaca fiber is makahimo sad ni siya og kanang lubid. So these are the example of abaca. So mao ni siya ang sa first picture mo na ang kanang abaca and then mao na ang procedure nila para mahimo na nga murag gagmay-gagmay siya. Then ang katong gagmay-gagmay mo to ang himuon nga kanang mga bags or something inana. So next is basket. So basket also made by Cordillerans as livelihood. They also use this as storage for food when they need to go to mountain to raise crops. Certain types of basket also serve for carrying grains from hunting animals and for fishing in the streams. So bamboo basket are used as fish traps. So the shape and size of basket determine to the kind of fish to be caught. So makita man nato di ba ang mga basket naapoy basket nga katong makita man nato sa ata to sa Bagyo kano to ilang kargahanan og mga lain-lain nga kanang vegetables then basket food nga atong kanang dalhon-dalhon and then sa karon nga di ba karon makita nato ang basket is pwede na mahimo sad nga bag. So also basket kay pwede siya mahimo pod nga fish traps. So these are the examples of basket. So kaning pang first kanina lalaki so makita niyo din nga ang iyang gihimo nga basket is mao na siya ang basket nga kanang himuon para manguha og fish. So mao na siya. So next is pots. So pots kay Filipino potters make pots of different sizes, shapes and designs so which are usually geometric with stylized nature theme motifs. So functional pieces are made as did wood arise. So an example of this is the palayok so which is used for cooking. Banga and tapayan are used for stalling liquids. This is also the clay-made stove or kalan that Bernie potters in Ilocos is still a lively tradition that continues up to the present. Di ba makita pa man nato hangtod karon ang kanang palayok. Dapat tayo makita nga palayok hangtod karon ang kanang banga is kanang naasad pero katong mga banga sa una kay murag kadto. Then tapayan naa pa sad na hangtod karon kana nga mga pots kay makita pa nato until now. Dayon next is sculpture. So Philippine sculpture is the most familiar art from among Filipinos. So the most popular wood carving or are those of the Anitos, which is nature gods, Dayan Santos or saints, and statues of Christ and the Blessed Mother. So makita nato ang kanang sculpture sa church, di ba natin mga kita diha sa museum. So these are the example of sculptures. So kanang gipang tinitil or mga gipang kuan sa kahoy. So mo na siya ang nagiporma og kanang tao, giporma og mga hayop. So that is the example of sculpture. So the last is jewelry. So since the early 16th century, jewelry making in the country has been practiced in the country. It is believed that the skills of the early Filipino jewelry makers are adapted from their Asian neighbors like Chinese. So jewelry making is traditionally a home-based industry with government sports. So the Philippines has come to be known for its gold jewelry. So the most popular jewelry pieces are actually made of gold and silver. So rings, earrings, bracelet, pendants, necklace, tie pins, and cufflinks with or without gemstones. These precious metals are common. So the Philippines is also known for pearls and semi-precious stones. So di ba na makita sa dato diri sa Pilipinas ang mga perlas. So nara na sa So these are the examples of jewelries. So sa kaning first picture kaning ilahan ni siyang mga hinimo, dayon the second is kaning naani siya made by gold sa na diha. So that's all. Thank you.